So, hi guys.
Hello guys. This is the effect of kuan.
After 5 months of
We
kabiyoon.
come up to a challenge that our previous house, there's a rat dead.
So, karon.
So smelly.
Wala may balay.
So smelly that rat. I hope it will rot it.
So, karon guys, wala may balay guys.
So we come up to a solution.
So, nag-check in ni guys.
Check in.
Ang pangarap nila Vincent. Laban lang ni Dari guys. Amo ang baby
And
guys.
at last,
Update guys.
at last, we check into the caption. For all the time, we go there for cell group, for dinner and lunch, but now we occupy the room. The room.
And guys, laban lang si baby sa mga challenges guys.
And it's so nice. The room is so nice.
I-record na mo ni guys kaya gusto na mo ni balikan ng mga moment guys.
Yes, more memories.
Once in our life, once in our married life, wala mi balay.
Jesus.
Thank
For
you
the bag.
Lord. Salamat gyapon Lord. Guys.
Hope the
Ay,
smell in the rat.
nami mga bulang sa gitna.
Nilagaan, namatyan ng nilaga, nalagitin, huwag mapuyan. Okay, Roy.
Hasta kaulan. So karon nami diri ano, hulat na pod ni. Laban lang jud yan diri. Hasta kaulan. Baby, remember this. You are 4 months in my tummy and we have already challenges. You know, you're just here in my tummy and grabe nga pagsubok. Dako kag tawag. Dako kag tawag, baby. Kaya grabe ang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Oh, nikusog pa dyan ang ulan.
Lagyan lang nato ni.
Woo! The Lord is good.
Dili lang.